Schrödinger's vision, a universe of one mind. Erwin Schrödinger, a pioneer of quantum mechanics, proposed a radical idea that continues to intrigue and inspire thinkers today. He suggested that there is only one mind in the universe, a concept that challenges our conventional understanding of individuality. This universal mind, according to Schrödinger, is the ground of all being, the fundamental essence from which everything arises. Our individual minds, he argued, are not separate entities but rather expressions of this singular consciousness. They are facets of this singular consciousness, like different reflections in a single mirror. This concept challenges our everyday experience of the world, where we see ourselves as distinct and separate from others. We experience ourselves as individuals, distinct from others, each with our own thoughts and feelings. Yet Schrödinger's idea offers a profound shift in perspective, suggesting a deeper connection that transcends our individual experiences. Schrödinger's concept resonates with ancient philosophical and spiritual traditions, which have long spoken of a fundamental unity. These traditions often speak of a fundamental unity underlying the apparent multiplicity of the world, a oneness that connects all beings. They describe a universal consciousness, a cosmic mind, that connects all things, suggesting that we are all part of a greater whole. This interconnectedness is not merely metaphorical but is supported by scientific principles such as quantum entanglement. It is a fundamental aspect of reality, indicating that at the deepest level, everything is interconnected. Schrödinger's proposition, rooted in scientific exploration, offers a bridge between modern science and ancient wisdom, inviting us to reconsider the nature of consciousness and our place in the universe. Frequency wave theory, a bridge between worlds. This theory bridges the gap between the physical and the metaphysical, offering a new perspective on the nature of reality. Frequency wave theory provides a compelling framework for understanding Schrödinger's concept of quantum mechanics and the nature of existence. This theory posits that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, vibrates at a specific frequency. Matter, energy, and even consciousness are expressions of these underlying vibrations, each contributing to the symphony of the cosmos. The universe, in this view, is not a collection of separate objects, but a vast network of interconnected frequencies. It is a complex tapestry of interwoven frequencies where each thread contributes to the overall pattern. Frequency wave theory offers a way to conceptualize the interconnectedness that Schrödinger intuited, showing how everything is linked through vibrational energy. If everything vibrates, then everything is in a state of constant interaction, influencing and being influenced by the vibrations of others. These interactions create the patterns and structures we perceive as the physical world, shaping the reality we experience. Consciousness, within this framework, is not separate from this vibratory dance, but an active participant in the universal symphony. It is an integral aspect of the universal frequency spectrum, contributing to the harmony and complexity of the cosmos. The fundamental frequency, the hum of existence. Imagine a fundamental frequency, a cosmic hum that underpins all of existence. This fundamental frequency, according to frequency wave theory, is the source of all other frequencies. It is the primordial vibration from which all things arise. This concept resonates with the idea of a unified field or a zero-point field in physics. It is the ground state of the universe, the substratum of reality. This fundamental frequency is not something we can easily detect with our senses. It is the silent, ever-present background of all experience. Yet, it is the foundation upon which all else rests. It is the unifying principle that connects all things, the source of the interconnectedness that Schrödinger described. Harmonics of consciousness, our unique song. Imagine the universe as a grand symphony, where each of us plays a vital part. If the fundamental frequency is the cosmic hum, then individual minds are like harmonics, each contributing to the overall melody. Each of us, in this view, is a unique expression of the fundamental frequency, adding our own distinct notes to the universal song. We are each attuned to a specific range of frequencies, much like musical instruments resonate at different pitches, creating a rich tapestry of sound. These unique frequency signatures are what give rise to our individual personalities, thoughts, and experiences, making each of us irreplaceable in the cosmic orchestra. Just as a single note played on different instruments creates a variety of sounds, so too does the fundamental frequency manifest in a multitude of ways, enriching the cosmic melody. Our individual minds are like instruments, each playing its own unique song, contributing to the harmony of the universe. This diversity, however, does not negate our fundamental interconnectedness. Instead, it enhances the beauty of our collective existence. We are all harmonics of the same cosmic melody, each note essential, each harmony vital, creating a symphony that is both diverse and unified. Entangled minds, beyond the illusion of separation. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon observed in the quantum realm, provides further support for the idea of interconnected consciousness. Entanglement occurs when two or more particles become linked. They share the same fate, even when separated by vast distances. Changes to one particle instantaneously affect the others, regardless of the distance between them. This interconnectedness observed at the quantum level might extend to consciousness itself. If our minds are facets of a universal consciousness, then it stands to reason that they would be entangled. Our thoughts, emotions, and intentions could potentially influence others in ways we are only beginning to understand. If we are all interconnected, why do we experience ourselves as separate individuals? The answer might lie in the nature of perception. Our senses are designed to navigate the physical world. They present us with a picture of reality that is useful for survival. This picture, however, might not be entirely accurate. Our senses, in a sense, create the illusion of separateness. Imagine a prism splitting white light into a spectrum of colors. The colors appear separate, yet they are all aspects of the same light source. Similarly, our individual minds might be like the colors, while the universal mind is the white light. Our senses, like the prism, create the appearance of separation. This separation, however, is ultimately an illusion. Consciousness in motion, a dynamic frequency field. Consciousness, within this framework, is not a static thing. It is a dynamic frequency field, constantly in flux. Our thoughts, emotions, and experiences create ripples in this field. These ripples, in turn, influence the thoughts, emotions, and experiences of others. We are all interconnected in a vast web of consciousness, constantly influencing and being influenced by each other. This dynamic interplay of frequencies creates the ever-changing tapestry of reality. It is a dance of creation and destruction, of connection and separation. Within this dance, we are not merely passive observers. We are active participants, co-creating reality with every thought, every emotion, and every action. Mystical traditions across cultures describe experiences of unity consciousness. These experiences often involve a sense of transcending the boundaries of the individual self. Individuals report a feeling of oneness with all things, emerging with a universal consciousness. These descriptions align with the idea of a fundamental frequency underlying all of existence. Could these mystical experiences be glimpses beyond the veil of perception? Are these individuals tapping into the fundamental frequency, experiencing the interconnectedness that underpins reality? While science cannot fully explain these experiences, they offer tantalizing hints about the true nature of consciousness. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, provide another intriguing piece of the puzzle. Individuals who have had NDEs often report similar experiences: a sense of leaving their body, a feeling of peace and love, encounters with deceased loved ones, and a life review. Some researchers suggest that these experiences might be explained by physiological changes in the brain. However, others propose that NDEs might be glimpses into a realm beyond our ordinary perception. Could these experiences be encounters with the universal frequency, the source of all consciousness? The similarities in NDE accounts across cultures and backgrounds suggest a shared reality that transcends individual beliefs. Schrödinger's concept of a universal mind, viewed through the lens of frequency wave theory, offers a profound new perspective on reality. It suggests that we are not isolated individuals but rather interconnected notes in a grand symphony of consciousness. Our individual experiences, though unique, are ultimately expressions of this fundamental unity. This understanding has the potential to revolutionize our relationships with ourselves, each other, and the world around us. It invites us to embrace a more compassionate, interconnected, and meaningful way of being. The exploration of consciousness and its relationship to the universe is still in its infancy. However, by integrating scientific inquiry with ancient wisdom, we can begin to unravel the mysteries of the mind. Schrödinger's visionary concept, coupled with the insights of frequency wave theory, offers a compelling framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. As we delve deeper into these concepts, we might discover that the boundaries we perceive between ourselves and the universe are not as rigid as we once believed. We might find that we are not merely observers of the cosmic drama, but active participants in a grand, interconnected dance of consciousness.